Do you wish to track and measure different events on your landing page? Don't worry, you are at the right place. Hello everyone, my name is Charan Kanwar and today I am going to walk you through the process of setting up custom conversions on Facebook in 2022. Custom conversions are important when you are running a campaign with a website conversions objective, as it allows you to track specific users as they convert on a given web page. Now, let us take a look at the step-by-step process of setting up the custom conversion.
Let's get started with custom conversion setup. First, open your Facebook in desktop. Then in new window, search for Facebook Ads Manager. Then click on Facebook Ads Manager. Then click on Go to Ads Manager. Here click on Meta Ads and then click on Events Manager. In Event Manager, click on Custom Conversions. Then click on Create Custom Conversion. Here, name your custom conversion. The data source will be Facebook pixel, event, all URL traffic. Then there is an option choose a standard event for optimization. There are different options for you to select. But we are selecting Facebook selected category recommended only. Then add the URL where you want a custom conversion. Enter a conversion value and click on create. Your Facebook custom conversion is ready now.
That is all needed to set up custom conversions on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. Leave a like and subscribe for more insightful content relating to the digital marketing world. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.